Hello and welcome to another episode of Smart Little Changes, practical tips and tricks to improve your life. Today's video is about productivity and how to boost it by eliminating distractions. Did you know that distractions like incoming email or phone calls cause a proven massive fall in your IQ? This is the result of a study with 1,100 respondents at the Institute of Psychiatry in London. And here's the fun fact: the impact is bigger than the impact of smoking marijuana. The psychologist Dr. Glenn Wilson, who carried out that study, found out that excessive use of technology reduced workers' intelligence by 10 IQ points, and also that unchecked infomania could reduce workers' mental sharpness drastically. Those who constantly breaking away from tasks to react to emails or text messages suffer similar effects on the mind as losing a night's sleep, he said. In our fast-paced world, staying focused and productive is essential for success in both personal and professional endeavors. Let's explore the impact of distractions on productivity and learn effective strategies to regain control of our time and achieve more in less time. Imagine the following picture. You have an important task at hand, but your phone is constantly buzzing, social media notifications keep popping up, and your colleagues keep interrupting you with questions. These distractions are productivity killers and can prevent you from reaching your full potential. Part 1. Understanding the impact of distractions. Before we delve into the solutions, let's understand the impact distractions have on our productivity. Everything besides your main task is a distraction. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking does not make us more productive. Our brains aren't wired to focus on multiple tasks simultaneously. Instead, it reduces our attention span, leads to errors, and hinders your ability to complete tasks efficiently. The cost of task switching. Task switching is also a bad idea because you lose your focus on your main task. Even between seemingly related tasks incurs a cognitive cost. It takes time for our brains to reorient to a new task, resulting in wasted time and reduced overall productivity. Part 2. Identifying and eliminating distractions. Like I said, everything besides our main task is a distraction. Now that we know how distractions hamper our productivity, it's time to identify and eliminate them. Here are some common culprits and strategies to deal with them. Digital distractions. Digital devices are among the biggest culprits. The two most important are your smartphone. Turn off audio notifications. And the second thing is your PC. Turn off your notifications in your taskbar. Physical distractions can interrupt our focus too. Create an organized and tidy workspace to minimize visual clutter. If your surrounding is crowded, close the door if possible. Use noise-canceling headphones or a quiet space to block out background noise. Use a PC with a quiet fan or better with a heat pipe. Time management techniques. Efficient time management is crucial to combat distractions. Prioritize tasks using techniques like the Eisenhower matrix. Then work on your 3 most important tasks by using the Pomodoro technique or time blocking technique. The use of these techniques in combination with a multi-timer was my breakthrough personally. Practice mindfulness. Embrace mindfulness techniques such as meditation, deep breathing to train our mind to concentrate and let go of distractions. I use the Wim Hof breathing technique quite often. It's easy to learn and incredibly good. Celebrate progress, no matter how small. Positive reinforcement fuels motivation and keeps you on track. Remember, productivity is not about working longer hours. It's about working smarter and efficiently. By eliminating distractions and cultivating a productive mindset, you can unlock your full potential and achieve your goals. I would love to read what you think about the information in this video. Feel free to write something or add your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You'll learn something new and that I could help you with my information. If you want to help me in return, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to support me, you can do so by using my PayPal. Be sure there will be many more helpful videos in the future. Stay focused and stay productive. See ya!